I am blessed with strength to overcome any challenge. I am blessed with opportunities that align with my purpose. I am blessed with loving relationships and meaningful connections. I am blessed with abundance in all areas of my life. I am blessed with health, energy, and vitality every day. I am blessed with peace in my heart and clarity in my mind. I am blessed with wisdom to make empowered decisions. I am blessed with the ability to grow, learn, and rise higher. I am blessed with gratitude that fills my spirit and guides my actions. I am blessed with divine favor and everything I need to thrive. Take another deep breath and carry this peace with you today.